5 Secrets of Men to Seduce a Woman. Not all men are the same. What they do have in common is that they know how to win your heart. Pay attention to this. We are in the 21st century and it is not so easy to conquer you. What is true is that men have a weapon that never fails them. Pretty words will always make your heart beat faster, making a smile impossible to hide on your face. Accept it, you will fall in his arms after a compliment or an insinuating glance. 1. His tone of voice. Men have a particularity when they are in the process of conquest. Although they always want to seem rough and unresponsive, when they like you, their tone of voice becomes melodious, pleasant, and makes the butterflies in your stomach begin to flutter. This reflects the security they have in themselves, which may lead you to think they know where they want to go and what they want to achieve. 2. Sense of humor. Definitely, this secret always has positive effects. There is nothing that seems more pleasant to you than enjoying your time with a man who finds in the jokes and laughs the way to win your heart. An appropriate comment at the right time makes him win many points with you. You will surely want to repeat an evening with him. 3. The infallible good conversation. You will always say yes to a man who has interesting conversations, who entertains you a long time for his knowledge and experiences on topics that you may not know. 4. Protection instinct. Although it is not entirely true that we are the weak sex, it is really very important that a man who wants to conquer you embrace you, dedicate a few minutes of the day to call you or write a message, and that he is always willing to listen to you. This is key, so you want to start a formal relationship with him. Learn how to get a boyfriend. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.